Contactless non-destructive hardness measurement, QASS micromagnetic. Conventional hardness tests require contact, take time, and leave marks. QASS micromagnetic measures hardness contactlessly during the process, without causing any damage. At the heart of the sensor is an electromagnet that induces a precisely defined magnetic field across an air gap directly into the workpiece. Depending on the process, this magnetic field is reversed 100 to several thousand times per second, here for illustration only once. Magnetization aligns the magnetic domains within the grain structure of hardened steel in a single direction. Each micromagnet is rotated individually into its new orientation. A high-precision ferrite antenna registers even the tiniest field changes. Mechanically softer steels are generally also magnetically softer and are easier to remagnetize. Conversely, harder steels are magnetically harder and offer greater resistance to remagnetization.